economy, many people are looking at increasing their income in real estate. Airbnbs have become a popular source of real estate revenue, as the unique yet homely nature of each different stay is appealing to many travelers. Yet for those considering becoming Airbnb hosts, there are still many questions to consider. Should you purchase a large rural house, an urban condo, or rent a room in a villa? So have to think about how much you're willing to invest. These initial questions will help you begin your Airbnb. Now you have purchased your Airbnb property, you need to make sure that it's ready for the market.
There's so much to do.
Begin by securing and upgrading the infrastructure of the building, including the utilities. Then make sure the exterior is attractive. Finally, decorate the interior rooms. Try and establish a consistent theme throughout the property. Your Airbnb property is ready to advertise for guests. Now your Airbnb is ready for guests, and you have to attract them.
How can I convince people to stay at my place?
Applying many clean and attractive photographs is an effective way to give guests a good sense of your place and shows you're not hiding it. That you're familiar with the property neighborhood provides an attractive local vibe. Lastly, guests would want to know how they'll live at the property. Make sure you provide a clear explanation of the layout of the place, including perhaps a floor plan, and make sure you list all the amenities you provide. The guests will determine the success of your Airbnb.
Our property is available on those days. We would love to host you.
If you respond quickly and reliably, guests will feel comfortable working.
Can I smoke in the apartment?
No, smoking is not permitted.
Make sure the property is clean, ready for guests.
Okay, I can see we need to